sharing something that we both love is really special.
What is this? It's kinda light. All my body starts to shiver.
Well, this was the year I turned 70, and you asked Mom if there was someplace that I wanted to go that you could take me, and right away she said Yukon.
I'll shout it out, I will sing it from the heart. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo!
I've only got one son, and I know you like to do this in the out in the wilds and everything. Maybe you got a little bit of that from me, but I just love being outside, and you experienced it the same way.
A state of mind of which I'll try to re-echo from the start. Come on, shout it out and release it from the heart. Woo-hoo!
Well, I kept a journal for each one of the big trips we've done, and I recorded what we did each day and where we went so that I would remember that and I can go back and reminisce. I like to write.
This is what
you realize that you're just one of the many species that are all around you. You're nothing special. All these other species can do without us. We aren't necessary in the environment, so you tread a little softly because you realize you're in the home of somebody else.
Shout it out and release it from the heart. Woo-hoo!
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience, Graham, and I'll take this to the happy hunting grounds when I go, and I'll still have these memories as I look down on you and all your adventures.
What is this? It's kind of light.
Yep.
It's the echo from the start.